What do these three dots in React do? What does the ... do in this React JSX code and what is it called? That's property spread notation. It was added in ES 2018. Spread for arrays iterables was earlier, ES 2015, but it's been supported in React projects for a long time via transpilation, as JSX spread attributes, even though you could do it elsewhere, too, not just attributes. ... spreads out the own enumerable properties in props, as discrete properties on the modal element you're creating. For instance, if props contained A and B, then this would be the same as this. But it's dynamic, so whatever own properties are in props are included. Since children is an own property in props, spread will include it. So if the component where this appears had child elements, they'll be passed on to modal. Putting child elements between the opening tag and closing tags is just syntactic sugar, the good kind, for putting a children property in the opening tag. Spread notation is handy not only for that use case, but for creating a new object with most, or all of the properties of an existing object, which comes up a lot when you're updating state, since you can't modify state directly. That replaces this .state.foo with a new object with all the same properties as foo except the A property, which becomes updated. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.